Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get the free Fish Crossbody Bag in Heartopia. It's super cute and really easy to get. It's super cute bag like this one. And how do you get it? All you need to do is complete your collection start points at the first at the Fish Observations collections, this one. Just click on it, and then in here, to unlock this cute bag, you need to reach 115 star points on here. You can increase your star point by collecting fish collections in here. With the higher stars, the more stars that you can get, the more faster you will unlock this bag. Just keep completing your star until you hit 115 points to get this bag. And once you reach these points, the Fish Crossbody Bag will be automatically unlocked and sent to you. And the bag will look like this. This one, it's so cute. This bag is adorable. It looks like a tiny aquarium maybe with a cute clownfish inside like this. It's so cute. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.